This major national holiday has a beautiful history, but let's make sure you are blending its unique name seamlessly when you talk about it. Many people accidentally separate the parts too much or misplace the rhythm, but the correct American pronunciation is Juneteenth. Juneteenth. Let's break it down into two easy syllables. Juneteenth. For the first syllable, think of the hot summer month that comes right after May, which is June. June. The second syllable sounds exactly like the numerical suffix found at the end of numbers like 13 or 14, ending with a soft th sound. Teenth. Now put those objects together. Juneteenth, 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 Juneteenth. The name Juneteenth is a linguistic portmanteau, which means it beautifully combines the words June and 19th. It originates from June 19th, 1865, when Union soldiers arrived in Galveston, Texas to enforce the Emancipation Proclamation, officially marking the liberation of enslaved African Americans and establishing a historic cornerstone of American freedom. Like the video, comment the next words to cover, and subscribe for more clever cultural and place name pronunciation hacks.